Sanjaya or Sanjaya Gavalgana is a character from the ancient Indian Hindu war epic Mahabharata. In the Mahabharata, an ancient story of a war between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, the blind king Dhritarashtra being the father of the principals of the Kauravas side. Sanjaya, son of the charioteer Gavalgana, is Dhritarashtra's advisor and also his charioteer. Sanjaya was a disciple of sage Krishna Dvaipana Vedavyasa and was immensely devoted to his master King Dhritarashtra. Sanjaya had the gift of seeing events at a distance. In other words, had Divya Drishti, where he could see things right in front of him. And this boon was granted by the sage Vyasa. Through this divine power, he narrates to Dhritarashtra the action in the climatic battle of Kurukshetra war, which is included in the Bhagavad Gita. While Sanjaya was still in Hastinapura, the series of events that happened on the battlefield of Kurukshetra war were very clear to him. He saw partisans of Dhritarashtra and the Pandavas gathered there, heard with his ears the words of Duryodhana, the fierce battle, the cry of grandfather Bhishma, and the dialogue between Krishna and Arjuna. We find it in the very first verse of the Bhagavad Gita. King Dhritarashtra seeking information about the war from Sanjaya, who had received the gift of divine vision. As Dhritarashtra's advisor, Sanjaya's job was not as hard, until he had to tell Dhritarashtra the news of the death of his 100 sons at the hands of Bhima at different points of time in the battle, and offered the sorrowing king solace in his darkest hours. Sanjaya tells every incident of the Kurukshetra war. He also gives various descriptions of Earth, the other planets, and focuses on the Indian subcontinents and gives an elaborate list of hundreds of kingdoms, tribes, provinces, cities, towns, villages, etc. to Dhritarashtra, who was blind. He also explained about the military formation adopted by each side of each day of the war, the death of each hero, and the details of each war racing. Sanjaya is known to be very frank in his narration of the battle events. And his opinions, he also predicted the destruction of Kauravas at the hands of Krishna and Arjuna. Sanjaya was Dhritarashtra's honest advisor. He was one of the prominent as well as a virtuous character who represents intuitive knowledge, which arises from long and arduous spiritual practice, a predominance of sattva and inner awakening. Despite him not being as lucky as Arjuna to earn the divine grace, he is still able to receive knowledge from Lord Krishna because he mastered having control over his body and mind. He represents having a sense of awareness as he is able to witness all of the details occurring in the battle. Sanjaya was able to spot when Arjuna dropped his bow and arrows and sat down on the seat of the chariot, with his mind overwhelmed with sorrow. Seeing Arjuna past his physical appearance as being exhausted from the battle, Sanjaya displays his mastery in the mind and body as he was able to see Arjuna and Lord Krishna himself, which he then narrates to his master, King Dhritarashtra. He is also one of the two witnesses to the Vishwarupa, the universal form of Lord Krishna. After the war was over, which ended in the Pandavas being victorious, Sanjaya followed Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, Vidura, and Kunti into retirement to Vyasa's ashram to spend the rest of their lives as sannyasis or saints, where Vidura died. Then they decided to head to Gandharva, currently known as Haridwara, to meditate along the banks of the holy river Ganges. Holy river Ganges. One day there was a wildfire, one which Dhritarashtra, Gandhari, and Kunti chose to be consumed by, since being engulfed by fire is a death befitting a saint. However, on Dhritarashtra's instruction to escape the fire and leave them be, Sanjaya then retired to the Himalayas, never to be seen again. Sanjaya, the narrator of the 18 Days of War, is portrayed as an extremely old and experienced man. He excels in numbers and hence he is given the responsibility to keep a track of the happenings of the war in terms of loss of lives on the Kaurava side. He does well at it because of his skill at numbers and not because he was a divine sight. There are different versions to what were his powers, whether it was a divine vision or an ordinary human character. Sanjay is the first character that the reader will find appealing at the beginning of the epic Mahabharata. Let us learn about Sanjaya a bit more. Sanjaya was the son of Gavalgana and was a Sutta, which means that Gavalgana was a Kshatriya counselor or officer of Kuru court who had married a Brahmin woman and a son was born to them as Sanjaya, a Sutta by birth. Sanjaya was Dhritarashtra's all-in-one bodyguard, guide, driver, messenger and advisor. Sanjaya was a decent warrior too. He fought on the side of Kauravas. He was captured by Satyaki but was let to go as he had Vyasa's sanction to be the war narrator. What Vyasa meant by divine vision was that he could remain unharmed on the battlefield. No one will kill him. He was freely accessing all parts of the battlefield and watch every battle and later report to Dhritarashtra and others about what happened. Vyasa said he could arrange for Dhritarashtra to be at the battlefield to know what happened himself. But Dhritarashtra did not agree. He said, as he was blind, in any case, someone has to tell him what was going on. So they let Sanjay have the ministry and report to him. He was just like a war generalist who had the ministry from all warriors to capture the battle action and report it later without getting killed. Sanjay gave the first report on the start of the battle about armies and the alignments. Then he went to the war and returned after Bhishma's death to report the happenings of the previous 10 days. Similarly, he returned after Drona and Shalya's death, and finally after Ashwadhama's punishment. Sanjay was not sitting with Dhritarashtra and doing a live telecast through satellite. He would go to the battlefield, observe the battles, compile the information, and then return during the break of each commander's death and update Dhritarashtra.